Hello everybody and welcome. I am so happy to be here and excited. Today we are making a 4th of July wreath, working with this flag. We are working with this flag with a purchase at the $1.25 store. We are also working with some beautiful greenery. I made this beautiful ribbon. We also got some beautiful little stars. We got our wiring, we got our scissors and the wire cutters. Okay, we got a 16-inch grapevine wreath, and let's get this started. Yeah, they got these flags at the $1.25 store. I just took it apart and inserted a wire in here. It's the wire in here. What we're gonna do is, okay, let me get this. The flag goes this way, huh? Okay, so we put the wiring in here. And we are just gonna ruffle it together like this, everybody. Okay, now I got this. Okay, and then we're gonna get the rest of this like that. Look at that. And we're gonna taper that around like this. Hold the rest of your body. And we're gonna take this around here, and we are gonna use our wires to attach it in the back. See how I got that? Just go like that. Attach it in the back. Excuse me. Get some of this. You could, like I say, you could use your glue and everything to attach your items, you know. Let's just get this going back here. Insert it real good through the wiring. Look at that. Curl it. Get this attached in there. I get the wiring through there. Kind of bend it. There we go. We got it. Okay, look at that. Oh, we are going to attach these together. There. Got that. And clip it right there. Put it down there. Okay, then we're going to turn it around. Look at that, everybody. Just going to get this the way you want it. Okay, look at that. Pretty neat. I think that one I seen on the video looks so neat. So I thought, hey, I'm going to try that. Just going to get it down and get it over this way and move all sides tight. And there you go, everybody. Make sure these are tight. Get your other wiring. Hold it tight. Get the other wiring and just get that on tight right here and attach it to your wreath. I'm using a thicker kind of wire, and there you go. Just check that in down there, and look at that, everybody. Hey, look at that. We got it. Okay. A little tail hand down. We got this. Okay, we are going to get this beautiful bow on. I'm still learning my bows, everybody. It's my bow jabber. It's the color coordinating, you know. I remember I used to never even know how to make bows. Okay, we're going to get this in here. Let's get the wiring in. There we go. And we're going to get this inserted, cut off the excess. Look at that, everybody. How's it coming out? Wow. Okay, now we're going to get our greenery. Let's get these all out so we can see what we're working with. Okay. Wow. We're going to get this. Tuck it up in here. Like I said, you could use wiring or glue to put on, attach your items to your wreath. Okay, let's get these long ones up here. Look at that. Oh yeah. So we're down here. These inserted. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna stop right there on that because I want to get some of these little cute things. Purchased these at Joann's yesterday. They're having like a 60% off. 60% off on the 4th of July. So, let me see. Should I put it there? Right there, huh? Get this one right here. Fluff some of this out. Show the star. Okay, then we're going to get more of this. Right there. Look at that, everybody. Let's get these stars out. Okay, now we're going to get more down in here. Lift the ribbon up and get that going. I think I'm going to get my little... Oops, excuse me. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. Well, 5:30. Okay, we got our other stars right here. Wow, I'll move them around so you can see them. Look at that. Well, I think I'm going to move this one a little over here, huh? There. Put this one here. Ooh. These stars up. Wow. Okay, then we're going to get some more of this greenery right in there. Like I said, you can use your glue gun. There. Get that going. Okay, everybody. Look at that. That's spectacular. Did this come out, huh? Pretty neat. Okay, I think we got it, everybody. I think we got it. Turn it around so everybody could see what we made today. Wow. Let's let this flow down right there. Let me check out my video and see. Oh, wow, look at that. Once again, everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. I enjoyed being here today with you guys, and I hope you guys got some kind of ideas or inspiration on this spectacular little wreath. Wow, it came out pretty good. Until the next video, we got some more 4th of July coming on the way. So like and share and thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and thanks for being here, and till next one, have a great day and get that smile on. Woo! Thank you guys. See ya. Look at how gorgeous. Whoa.